Door lock monitoring, or DLM, is now mandatory for elevators in many states. It prevents operation if doors aren't fully closed and locked. Building owners, check your state's deadline. Some are as early as 2024. Determine your elevator's age. Pre-2000 models often need major upgrades. Schedule an assessment now and budget accordingly. Costs can range from $3,000 for simple activations to over $100,000 if full modernizations are required. Consider an elevator consultant to navigate regulations and manage costs. Non-compliance risks include fines and shutdowns. Start your door lock monitoring compliance process today to avoid last-minute rushes. Call the elevator consultants 3125-19949 for an assessment or www.theelevatorconsultants.com.